Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a stacked bar chart on Smartsheet dashboards. This is an incredibly useful way to visualize complex data across multiple categories, making it easier to compare different segments at a glance and present your information in a clear, professional manner. First, you'll need to navigate to smartsheet.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, head over to the sheet or report that contains the data you want to visualize. This is where all your source information lives, so make sure you're opening the correct sheet that has the metrics or values you want to display in your stacked bar chart. Before moving forward, take a moment to ensure your data is organized properly. You'll want one series per category with a separate column for each segment you want stacked in your chart. This structure is essential because it determines how your chart layers will appear. Also, check that the data range you plan to use is clearly defined and free of any blank rows within that range. Blank rows can cause issues with how the chart interprets your data, so it's worth double checking now. Once everything looks good, go to the left side panel and click on Create. From the options that appear, click Dashboard. This will begin the process of setting up a new dashboard where your stacked bar chart will live. Now, wait until the site fully loads. Smartsheet can take a bit of time here, especially if you have a lot of data or a slower connection, so just be patient. Once everything is loaded, click Get Started to begin building your dashboard. Next, you'll see options to add different widgets. Choose Chart from the Add Widget menu. This is the widget type that will allow you to create your stacked bar chart. After selecting Chart, click Add Data. This is where you'll connect your chart to the actual information in your sheet. Select the data source, then highlight all the data you want to show in your bar chart. Make sure you're capturing all the relevant columns and rows. Once you've selected everything, click OK to confirm your selection. Now, you can customize your chart. On the right side of the screen, you'll find options to edit the title, horizontal axis, vertical axis, series, legend, and widget behavior. This is where you can fine-tune how your chart looks and functions. Adjust these settings to match your presentation needs and ensure the chart is easy to read and understand. Once you're satisfied with all your edits, click Save in the upper right corner. This will finalize your stacked bar chart and add it to your Smartsheet dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully created a stacked bar chart on Smartsheet that clearly displays your data across multiple segments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.